Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making poppy seed butter cake. This cake, guys, is so delicious. The addition of instant pudding mix makes this cake super moist, just the way a cake should be. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First, let's get right into the ingredients. You will need white cake mix. I'm using Baker's Corner. Vanilla instant pudding mix. Water. Vanilla extract. Eggs, vegetable oil, and poppy seeds. First things first, spray the Bundt pan with non-stick baking spray. Then set it aside. In a mixing bowl, combine water, vegetable oil, and eggs. Then beat well until well blended. Next, we're gonna add the cake mix and pudding mix. Beat on low speed until moist. Then beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. If you are looking for dessert that is perfect for almost any occasion, look no further than this easy poppy seed cake, guys. This cake is very easy to make. It tastes wonderful. You can also use different pudding and cake mix combination. This is no fast recipe. It's perfect for whatever backyard gathering or a barbecue heading your way. This cake is very easy to make, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and stir in poppy seeds. If you are enjoying this video, guys, smash that like button, and please, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video you get notified. Stir in vanilla extract. This moist cake keeps so well. You can make it the day before serving. It freezes beautifully too. You are going to really love this cake, guys. Next, we're gonna pour the cake batter into a prepared pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes or until toothpick inserted near center comes out clean. The cake is out of the oven. Allow it to cool for 10 minutes before you invert it to cooling rack. Guys, this cake is so delicious. It smells so good here. Now we're gonna dust with powdered sugar and it's ready to be served. You can serve it with homemade whipped cream and fresh berries. Please, guys, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Mama Bui's Kitchen. Also, guys, Mama Bui has a new channel. It's called Honey Picker. Please, guys, go check it out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honeys. Please, guys, don't forget to check Honey Picker. Adios.